Hello everyone, welcome to UniVoyage. So this is a quick video about the new announcement date for IPMAT exam at IIM Indore. So as you can see, we are at the main page of IIM Indore and they have released the new date of announcement as March 23, 2002. So the IPMAT, as it is written here, the IPMAT will be conducted on Saturday, July 2022 morning shift. The IIM Indus website with the other relevant information will be updated shortly. So this is the message that has come. So as you can see, the exam will be after all your boards. The boards exams are basically boards will end at June 15. The last exam will be at June 15. So as you can see, you will get around 15 to 16 days of preparation for the IPMAT Indore exam. So if IIM Indore uploads furthermore information about IPMAT 2022, we will be informing you through another video. So if you found this video informational, then like this video, share it with your friends who are appearing for IIM Indore, and all the best for your boards. Thank you.